So we tried to get the truck out this morning. The Apocalypse truck is stuck. It's been stuck there since last evening when we got home from Lethbridge. And we're having a hard time getting it out. So, let's see what we can do today. Okay, so now our water delivery truck is gonna try and tow out our truck, the Apocalypse truck. It's not really the Apocalypse truck if it gets stuck in 2.5 feet of snow. So, anyway, let's see. Bevan Septic, they're awesome. See if we can get this out. Come on. Get it out, please. Oh, it's sideways. Look at that. Woohoo! That's awesome. Oh, my goodness. We got water and a tow. That's awesome. I was worried because I have to work tomorrow. And I was like, oh my gosh. How am I going to get to work? So we're stuck here until this thaws. I don't know. That's amazing. These guys in Alberta are awesome. Have a great day.